one of the biggest flaws in society is that we look at people for the differences and not for the, similarities. All of our lived experiences are different. Alton doesn't pity himself that he might walk differently. It's a part of his identity. It's part of who he is. It's all in how you carry yourself and your attitude about life. Yeah. You can't change that you have cerebral palsy, right?
No.
So do you work with it, or do you kind of live life upset that you have?
I work with that.
Exactly. I think that's the perspective that other people need to have, is that just because you may look differently or think differently doesn't mean that you can't be a positive contribution to society.